Right, good afternoon everybody. Out on another little adventure. I'm going to take my e-bike to Hothfield Lake. There's also a waterfall there. It should be interesting. Not been there before. Might have a job to find it, but see how it goes. Typical Kentish oast house. Look at that, nice. And it doesn't look like it's been converted to a house either. There we are, Hothfield. Welcome to Hothfield. About time. Right, this is Waterfall Road. So we're nearly there. It can't be up here because it's in a valley. That must be up the top and then back down the other side. Byway. There's a byway. Oh, I'll have to come back and have a look at that one. This should be it down here. This is the bottom of the lane. A bit disappointing if it is. I think it is. I think this is it. Yeah, there it is. I can see it. Here it is. It's ridden about 20 miles to get here. There's a little, like a little gate thing up there, like sluice gate mechanism. I want to go and have a look at that because there's a little path in the trees. So let's go and have a look around there. Oh, it's like a little mini Ford here. Look at that, I wanted to go and see a Ford. I've seen one, look at that way. Right, and where does this go? I think I'll leave my bike here. Being a little bit stealthy because apparently people got fined for being here. Right, let's go and have a look. This is exciting. God, look at the lake. Oh, that's a nice lake. Yeah, Maidstone Victory run this. Apparently there's quite a lot of tench. Looks a really nice lake actually because it's got a running stream running through it. So it's always going to be nice and clear. Not very deep. Don't mind about that. Oh, some farmers up there. Oh, here's this sluice gate. Look at that. Wow. And there's a waterfall. Going to be dropping down there. And there's a little sluice. Brilliant. Well worth the trip. I like it. Right, better get out of here before those farmers come up and turf me off. Blimey, look what's just up the road. Amazing. World War II pillbox. Look at that. Greensand Way. Right, I'll go and have a look at this in a minute. Shame about the graffiti. You can see inside it. It's in quite a good nick inside. Oh, gated over. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I've just met a couple just by the pillbox here. They've just been walking by the lake and they've got turfed off by those farmers, so it's definitely private. Right, let's carry on. Gone a bit off piste around Great Chart area. I want to go past Singleton Lake, so I've come down here, down this little footpath. What I've seen in the buried in the ground from an old push bike. Right, I think there's apparently like a fish chute or something down here. So I'm going to have a look at that. And because I've done so much cycling, I think I deserve a bit of cake and a cup of coffee. So I'm going to go to the Singleton Environment Centre Cafe. Alright, see you in a bit. And here it is. Buxford Fish Pass. It looks like you get trout here. Oh, look at this, it's quite spectacular. The river goes down, this is the River Stour. It comes up here. Tell you what, I'm going to come here fishing, I think, when this season opens. Bound to be some nice fishing there. Oh yeah, look, it's all terraced. That's unusual. Let's get quite out. I mean, there's loads of terraces. It's like rock gates. Look at it. There's all the way up there. Amazing. Right, let's get to this cafe because I'm gagging for a drink. Here's a quick look at Singleton Lake. Fished this many times. Great. Well, that's the end of the ride. I'm not filming anymore, battery's nearly flat. I made it to this environment centre. It's actually quite nice. This is what I'm having. Bakewell tart and a cappuccino. Well deserved. The old Doors Galaxy e-bike performed absolutely brilliantly. No problem at all, and I've still got 3 bars left. So I think that's done well over 50 miles on that battery charge. That's really good. Right, I hope you enjoyed it. A bit of a different one today, a bit of an epic actually. I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.